Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sai here. Today we are going to make crab curry. Not just any crab curry, we're gonna make rice filled crab curry. Yes, and here is a rice filled crab. And in this recipe, if you don't have of course rice filled crab, you can use any type of crab, or you can use calamari, squid, shrimps, or chicken even if you like. So let's have a look at the ingredients. All the ingredients, I'm gonna show you how to clean and prep the rice filled crab. This is our crab. You're gonna open them by on the side of the leg between the lid. Open them up, and this is the mouth. You can take it off if you want, just like that. Take the mouth off. There you got one. And this is we call nom, like boobies. But I don't know what this one called in English, but if you do know, please let me know. And another one, this is the mouth. You tear it off. Take this bit out. There you got your crab. I'll show you one more time. Take this bit out. Open between this area. Tear them open. Put the mouth off. You got one. And they got our lower lips down here. Take that off. And this bit, and I go. If it's a big one, you can cut that in half, but I think I'm gonna do like this. More beautiful, don't you think? And I'm gonna continue to do this one. Got halfway through, I'm gonna show you another easy way to open up the crab. So you open on the side like this, on the side, and the mouth, you just use the back of the end of the spoon to press it down just like that, and scoop it out. It should come out nicely, just like that. See, that's what you need to. This is the mouth, the one that you need, and this is the creamy bit that you need to keep it attached. That's what you need out. And this one, you scoop it out, same technique like before. Just scoop it out, and this bit just press the end of the spoon. It can be tough sometime. And for the pee-pee, you scoop at the end just like that, and it should come out so easy, like just like that. Like oh. Is there anyone else like me who like to eat crab but hate to open up the crab? Like I do not know how to open up the crab like a big one. But now I do know why they don't use the rice filled crab, because instead of you use the big giant crab, just one, and you open up, maybe you cook like for 3 crab, you should done by now. No, don't keep going. Last time I went to my grandma's house, in the last video I attached the link up here, we went to cook like food in the rice field, and we got some crab. Normally when I was a kid, I was not eating this crab because how we cook it before was grilling it, and it was so oily. Not oily, like this one was so creamy, and they grilling it, and I had it, and then I feel nauseous. I thought same way as the bug, the smell is amazing when they catch the bug, and then you know, like Thai people eat bug, right? I want to try. It smells so good. A little bit of just topping with the soy sauce. I try and I feel nauseous. So let's see, because last time I feel nothing. So let's see if this time the crab curry is gonna make me not nauseous or not. Our crab is ready, our stove is ready, and our wok is ready. I finally invested on a wok. Wok. In Thai we call gata. Some oil, cooking oil, any type of oil. I add around 2 tablespoons and about tablespoon of Thai garlic. We're gonna crush it first. One person asked me, what is Thai garlic? What do you think what Thai garlic is? Thai garlic is like Thai girl, made in Thailand. I prefer use Thai garlic because it have more smell and I want to support the local. Of course, why buy someone else when you got yours? But if you don't like the strong smell of the garlic, then Chinese garlic. Chinese garlic is a little bit bigger. Thai garlic is little cold, just like Thai girl, little one. Add it in. Is it hot? A little bit warm. Add it in the wok. Stir fry until fragrant. You don't need to brown them, just until it's nice fragrant. And time to add our crab. Careful though, because this one has some juice in it. Okay, we're gonna mix, stir fry a little bit. Make sure that it cook all over. Or you can toast the wok, which is, I had to stand up on this table if I want to, because this is very high. We'll see if I can toast the wok from here. Wow, I can. Look at that. I don't have a lid, but if you do, close the lid. I'm gonna use this one as a lid. Close it to let it sit until it's cooked. And now we are going to make the curry. We are going to mix out powder first. This is milk, curry powder, some sugar, and our chili paste. Add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1, 2, 3, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And some egg. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. And then you mix this in the curry butter. And mix them again together. Make sure it's like all mixed very well. Let's prep our onion. Cut the top, cut the bottom. In half and slide it down. Look nice. Looking very nice. Let's add onion and our curry. I just add onion and the mixture of the curry and the egg. So we're gonna close the lid. Where does it cook a little bit? Let's cut the chili for the decorating. If you don't eat spicy, just don't eat the seed. Like I do a cut around the bit just like this. A little bit of seed is fine. Plus, I'm sorry for holding the knife so scary because my skin is very sensitive to the chili. It burned me. Surprisingly, it burned me. Let's have a look at our curry. Oh, it's hot now. Careful. Oh wow. Smells so nice. Okay. So now let's give it a taste, see if we need to add anything more. Okay, let's give it a taste. Okay, add a little bit of soy sauce. A little bit of soy sauce, and I think I'm gonna add more sugar. More sugar. And then let's add the chili for color. Some celery and spring onion, pepper to taste, and I think it's done. Put it back there, no one see. Are you ready for your crab curry? Let's have a look. Wow. Put it on here. Careful. Wow. Just look at that. Got a very unique rice-filled crab, looking amazing. Let's give it a taste. Wow, finally it's finished. Let's give it a taste. I'm excited to taste. Like I taste the egg, but I haven't tasted the fish itself. Let's see if I can eat it or no. I don't know why I do this. Well, let's break it in half and just eat the crab just like this. Mmm. 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 It's good. It's actually very good. It's better than I mean the crab itself last time I had. Oh, hopefully I don't break my teeth with it. It's actually very good. Oh, let's try it. Wow. You guys have to look at this piece. Let's have a look at this. You see that? That is just like egg and the crab. What do you call? Like the cream itself. Not kidding. This is good. Wow. With an onion. Wow. You guys try this recipe. This one is like, this crab is around 750 grams. So if you're trying to try yourself, I recommend try with, I don't know, I like more egg and more like more running curry. I would recommend just put like half kilo of the meat that you want, and you can enjoy all the egg. The crab is good. It had a different smell. The rice-filled crab, it had different smell from the seafood crab, the one that you see all the time. But let me eat more. All I need is just rice. let's try ก้ามปูก้ามปู is this part of the crab ก้าม what do you call this one we call this one ก้าม hopefully I don't break my tooth with it. Ooh, it's little but it has. Sweet. Guys. Wow. Let's dip it more. Guys, no kidding. This is very good. And my favorite part of the crab is this one. Like you can see, inside is so creamy. Guys, use the back of the spoon. Now, the benefit of you already like clean and prep the crab, you can just eat every part. I'm gonna enjoy this. Guys, I'm gonna put my tongue in this one. I have one more. I feel like this is gonna be mukbang, but look at this. Wow, this one full of egg. Break in half. One more. Yummy. Oh wow, I can't stop eating this. I want to keep going. If I keep going, this video is gonna be mukbang. It's not teaching you how to cook. Anyway, guys, I will link the recipe under the descriptions. And again, if you don't have this crab, you can use anything. You can use chicken, you can use shrimps, you can use your favorite meat. But I don't know about beef. I don't know if you go along with beef. But if you guys try, don't forget to let me know. As always, see you guys in the next video. Love you, bye.